Please welcome to my video and make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more videos like this. So if you're not very good at BR in Dodge Strike, it's because of your settings and you adjust it like me, like this. And you go to basic and advanced and you turn the left fire button off and auto fire off because it can it can adjust your gameplay, and skill keybinds off, auto open parachute off, and you go down. Your aim assist you put none because it can generate your aim while there is no aim assist. And in the graphics and audio, your FOV needs to be very needs to be 120 FOV. The field of view is no matter where you pick, just pick one of those. Yes. And for sensitivity, you you adjust your sensitivity just like mine. Yes, I that I put this, that that's all you do, and thanks for watching. Bye.